Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the series which we have started for IBPS AFO mains exam for agriculture, and this is lecture 8 in that series. And today we are going to do few questions on cereals, that which we have generally rice, wheat, etc. All those that come under cereals, that are starchy grains. So let's start with the session. So friends, before starting with the session, I have a small announcement to make here. We at EduTap, we are going to launch courses for IBPS AFO 2020-21 very soon. So please visit our website www.edutap.co.in for any queries or further details. So friends, the first question in this lecture is Muktoshri, that is IET 21845, is an arsenic resistant variety of which of the following crops? So here the correct answer is rice. Rice is the one, arsenic is one poison that is very harmful to human beings, and since this rice is grown in waterlogged conditions, if the water is polluted with arsenic, then it can leach into the food chain. So to avoid that, arsenic resistant variety has been developed. Been developed by Rice Research Station, that is Chinsura, West Bengal, and they have collaborated with National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, and then developed this variety. And here this is highly cultivated in various places or various districts of West Bengal like Bardhaman, Murshidabad, North 24 Pargana, Nadia, etc. And also according to WHO provisional guidelines value of arsenic, it is, it should be, the value should be almost 0.01 milligrams per liter, above which it would be poisonous for the human being. See, as you can see here, the harmful effects of drinking contaminated, arsenic contaminated water can create, initiate diabetes, skin lesions, skin cancer. So to avoid all those things, and this is a rice is grown in waterlogged conditions. So if there is arsenic in that water, again that would affect the the rice that has been grown in that water and the person who is eating that rice. So hence this arsenic resistant variety has been released. So friends, next question says botanical name of macaroni wheat, or it's also called durum wheat, and yes, the correct answer is Triticum durum, which is called as macaroni wheat. So friends, here there are so many species of Triticum, wild species as well as cultivated species, of which these four are very important. One is Triticum durum, Triticum aestivum, Triticum dicoccum and Triticum sphaerococcum, of which Triticum durum is called as the macaroni wheat, which is one of the very old species that is being cultivated, and it is very suitable for drought conditions, and this is used for suji preparation, that is rava, which in turn is again used to prepare pasta, macaroni, etc. Hence this is also called as macaroni wheat, and it covers 12% area of the total wheat that is cultivated. Next is Triticum aestivum. This is Mexican dwarf wheat, which is common bread wheat and covers 87%, whopping 87% of the total area that is cultivated under wheat. And next is Triticum dicoccum, which is emmer wheat, and this one is used in upma preparation. That's the reason it is popularly grown in South India, and it covers 1% of the total wheat area. Next comes is Triticum sphaerococcum, which is again an Indian dwarf or club wheat, very short, and it has compact heads. So friends, the origin of maize crop is, see, maize crop, it is originated in Mexico. In Mexico it is originated, and botanical name is Zea mays, and this is also considered as the queen of cereals. And flint corn, that is Zea mays indurata, is the most commonly cultivated species of maize in India. And seed rate of maize is kharif maize, it is up to 15 to 20 kg per hectare. hybrid is 25 kg per hectare, but fodder maize is 40 to 50 kg per hectare. That is what the seed rate of maize is. And yes, this it is originated from Mexico. So friends, next is what is the seed rate of sorghum? See, the seed rate of sorghum is 10 to 12 kg per hectare. This is what it is. And the botanical name of sorghum is sorghum bicolor, and this is originated from Africa. And it's also called as camel of desert because even it produces high yields even under high temperatures and with very low moisture conditions as well. That's the reason it's called as camel of desert, and it's a often cross-pollinated crop with, as we have already seen, the seed rate of normal seeding for seed purpose. But if the it is grown for fodder purpose, then the seed rate is approximately 40 to 50 kg per hectare. So friends, next question goes like this: which one of the following is the most coarse millet? See, cereals which are the starchy grains that we consume, they are again majorly classified into major cereals and millets. These are based upon their various physiological characters and then the nutrition value, all those things. Next, and the type of cultural practices that can be taken up. Next, millets again are divided into major millets and minor millets. And kodo millet is the one which is one of the coarsest millet that is available, and which is again a minor millet. So friends, kodo millet is the most coarse millet which is highly tolerant to drought conditions and also can be grown without much inputs. And these are called as coarse cereals or nutri cereals, which include, that is, minor millets, as I have already mentioned. These are all minor millets, also called as the small seeded grains. Includes proso millet, barnyard millet, foxtail millet, kodo millet, which is the coarsest one, and finger millet. So friends, here comes the answer of the day. So in the last lecture I have asked a question: what is the mechanism in which the pollen of a different flower germinates faster than of the same flower, thus preventing autogamy or self-fertilization? Here this concept or this mechanism is exclusively to prevent self-pollination in plants which are which go for cross pollination. And here this mechanism is called as pollen prepotency, which is very commonly observed in apples and grapes. And friends, here comes the question of the day: boka chaul or mud rice is native rice of which state of India? And I'll give a clue here: this belongs to one of the northeastern states. So thank you very much friends for watching this video, and if you have any queries, please write to us at hello@edutap.co.in, and if you have any queries you can even reach us at the number given here. Thank you very much.